Joining us here in the First Alert Storm Center, I'm meteorologist Justin Long. Taking a look at our weather headlines for overnight tonight, we have a chance of seeing isolated spotty freezing drizzle overnight tonight, but I think for much of north central West Virginia will remain dry overnight. Just the clouds increasing as a storm system heads down toward our south and east, and that's going to set up the stage. The jet stream dipping down toward the south, and that's going to leave us cold through much of the week with temperatures at freezing or slightly above freezing. And then we'll be tracking a few weekend rain or snow showers possible, but no big storm is heading toward our area. This will just be scattered activity as we head into the latter part of the weekend, and we'll continue to track that as it gets closer. Looking at our temperatures right now, 27 in Elkins, 18 up toward Davis, 24 in Grafton, 24 down toward Philippi, and here in Clarksburg we're sitting at 24 degrees and 24 up toward Fairmont and 23 up toward Morgantown. Live Viper radar showing that we have dry conditions throughout north central West Virginia. Clouds are on the increase as that storm system heads off toward our south and east, and those clouds will continue to increase for the night tonight and during the day tomorrow, but dry conditions will continue throughout our area. But as those clouds continue to increase through our area, we could have the chance of seeing an isolated freezing drizzle, but I think much of the region will remain dry overnight tonight. For tonight, though, 20 degrees for a low, spotty light freezing drizzle or a few isolated flurries, mainly toward the higher elevations, but they cannot be ruled out for north central West Virginia as the clouds continue to increase through our region. Looking at our temperatures for tonight throughout the area, 18 for a low in Davis, 21 toward Elkins, 20 in Philippi, and we'll be sitting here at 20 degrees in Clarksburg, 20 in Fairmont, 21 in Morgantown, a few degrees warmer as you head down toward Webster Springs, sitting at 22 and 22 over toward Sutton. Looking at tomorrow's forecast, we'll barely get above freezing throughout much of north central West Virginia. We'll have a high of 34 degrees here in Clarksburg with mostly cloudy conditions, and once again we could see a spotty freezing drizzle as those clouds continue to increase mainly toward the morning hours, but they cannot be ruled out, so we have that isolated chance of seeing that freezing drizzle throughout the morning tomorrow. And the clouds will keep us on the cold side, 30 in Davis, 36 down toward Elkins, 34 in Philippi. We'll be sitting here at 34 in Clarksburg, 34 in Buchanan and Weston, and we'll have 35 in Fairmont and 34 up toward Morgantown. Now, for the later part of the week, we'll be tracking the jet stream will go down toward our south, and that will allow that cold air to continue to move toward north central West Virginia. And it will remain chilly, but any storm system will head down toward the south, isolated activity well up toward Pennsylvania and the Great Lakes. But I think for much of our region will remain on the dry side with just the cloud cover, and that will clear out for mostly sunny conditions later on in the week, but will remain on the chilly side. Now looking at the next 7 days, 34 on Wednesday, cold conditions, mostly cloudy. Some sun breaks out on Thursday. We warm up a few degrees, 35. 37 on Friday with dry conditions with partly cloudy conditions. And look at that, well above average for the day on Saturday with mild conditions, lots of sunshine, so a great day to get out for the weekend with highs right around the 50-degree mark. So going to be mild out there for the weekend, and we slightly drop those temperatures as we head into Sunday, and we'll be watching that next storm system. Once again, it will be on the light side with a few showers or flurries possible Sunday into Monday, and then we dry things out and cool down on Tuesday with a high of 35 degrees.